Hey guys, this is Taylor Barkman at CrossFit BNI in Riverview, Florida. Today I'm going to be going over Coaches Development Lesson Plan number 3. This looks like chaos, so let me break it down to you. Today I'm going to be going through a 20-minute AMRAP that's going to consist of 20 calories on the rower, 40 wall ball shots, and 10 strict handstand push-ups. Looking at the 20 calorie row to start, I broke it down intermediate and beginner and advanced athletes. For my intermediate and beginner, I'm going to be looking at 3 seconds per calorie, okay? That will be a full minute to get to the 20 calories. For the more advanced athletes, typically you'll see a lot of athletes doing a calorie pool per pull. So if they were to do a calorie per pull, that would put them at about 45 seconds for 20 calories, okay? Looking into the wall balls, for an intermediate and beginner athlete, we're looking at about 2 to 3 seconds per rep, and that will bring them to about 1 minute and 20 seconds for 40 wall balls. For a more advanced athlete, you're looking at 1 to 2 seconds per rep, and that'll put them at about 45 seconds to 1 minute for 40 wall balls. For the 10 strict handstand push-ups, for an intermediate or beginner athlete, we're looking, again, depending on their scaling, we're looking at about 2 to 3 seconds per rep, and that'll put them at 25 to 30 seconds for 10 handstand push-ups. For a more advanced athlete, we're looking at 1 to 2 seconds per rep, and that will put them at about 15 to 20 seconds for those 10 handstand push-ups, okay? The way that I put the stimulus, looking at how long each round will take. For an intermediate to beginner athlete, you're looking at about 3.5 minutes, maybe 3 minutes and 15 seconds. 3.5 minutes will be pretty typical per round. For a more advanced athlete, you're looking at about 2 minutes and 30 seconds to 3 minutes per round, okay? Including the transition time and maybe the quick little rest time that they take, I added a minute for that transition time. So that would put, for an intermediate to beginner athlete, at about 4.5 minutes per round. For a more advanced athlete, maybe more so 3 to 3.5 minutes per round. With that being said, the average stimulus for the total amount of rounds will be set between 4 to 7 rounds. 4 for the slower, more beginner type of athletes, and then for the more advanced athletes, aiming upwards of 6 to 7 rounds. Again, I incorporated that transition time, and that's just a rough estimate, giving about 30 seconds to a minute of transition time. And scaling options will be provided to the class, so depending on the scaling option that they choose, looking to stay within that stimulus listed on the board. And that is what I broke down for my 20-minute AMRAP of 20 calories on the rower, 40 wall balls, and 10 handstand push-ups. Have a great day.